We're talking today with Jeanne Bigonnet from SAP. Jeanne is a product manager, very focused on the Office integration. And recently we did a session with Jeanne where we did Jeanne provided an update about the Office integration with SAC. And we also talked about analysis for Office scheduling and broadcasting. So Jeanne, glad to have you here today. And I'd like to get a comment on this topic of information recipients and people, very specifically, people needing analysis for Office reports to be sort of prepared and sent to them. So we'll just loosely call that group information recipients. And we know that gets into lots of different departments and user types. But could you make just a couple of comments on why it is that users need that content pushed out to them?
Yes, of course. So most of our customers mentioned that they are using scheduling to schedule reports, which normally takes a long of time to be refreshed. So the user have them already ready when they want to work with the reports. They also can use it when they want to automate their reporting. So they schedule the reports, as example, every day or every month, and they save them offline or somewhere to only keep the historical data. Scheduling can also use the customer to have a better load balancing on the system as they normally schedule jobs during night where less users are online. So these are examples where scheduling is really, really helpful.
Great. Those are key reasons, and we hear those very often as we talk to customers about this. Of course, in meeting those needs, lots of customers have been doing that with business objects. And even before that, organizations, and even still organizations, have been using Beck's reports and Beck's broadcaster to meet those needs. But we're really focused on analysis for Office primarily here today, as well as into SAC. But when organizations go to move to SAP Analytics Cloud, there's challenges, there's barriers here. And Jeanne, maybe you can speak a little bit about that.
Yes, sure. So as of today, a business object customer can refresh analysis for Office Excel workbooks automatically and these pre-calculated workbooks via mail or store them on the file server. But because this customer wants to move from the BI platform to SAP Analytics Cloud, they would like to retrieve exactly the same capability. The point is SAP Analytics Cloud does not offer this scheduling capability for analysis for Office workbook. So there is this demand from customer heavily requested. Actually, we have more than 70 votes in our Influence Portal request for supporting scheduling on top of SAP Analytics Cloud. Because of SAP strategy, we have rejected the demand because, as you know, SAP Analytics Cloud now is more focused with Excel add-in and not with analysis for Office. So that's why SAP rejected the demand. And that's why we have decided to partnership with APOS to get the solution ready for our customers.
Yes, exactly. So that partnership, that collaboration, that's really what has come to fruition in our Publisher for Cloud solution. Now, Publisher for Cloud is a solution that's been around for several years, and we have lots of great customers who have been using Publisher for Cloud to do broadcasting and bursting and scheduling of SAC stories, reports, and SAC applications. But this collaboration that you mentioned has led to the new support for analysis for Office. So these many users who want to be able to schedule and broadcast reports when the reports are in Analytics Cloud is now the case. So we do support both editions, the standard edition and the SAC edition, which opens many doors in this area. And yeah, so that collaboration has worked out very well and allows us to work with customers to address these concerns of replacing the business objects necessity, being able to give Beck's broadcaster users a new path to make better use or modernize their approaches to these workflows, which many of them need to because of other transformation project requirements that they have. but centralization and governance and really being able to serve a broader user base within SAC. These are the key reasons that are enabling users to deploy that. So, Jeanne, this collaboration, the partnership has been strong, and we're very thrilled about that. And I know that our customers have been very receptive to this new capability. So we appreciate that. Yeah, at the website of apos.com, there's lots of information on there about the Publisher for Cloud solution. So we would encourage people to take that in. Jeanne, thanks for your time today.